Hi, I'm Darlene Panzera from Aspiring Writer Academy, and today we're going to talk about the timeline of events in your fictional story. In this video, I'll talk about why you need to create a timeline, how to create a cheap, easy timeline scroll from a simple paper bag, and how to research real-world events that both your reader and your fictional character should be aware of and mix them into your fictional story calendar. Often, when writing a novel, the timelines of the story can get jumbled and confusing, but a timeline scroll will take the frustration out of the process and help keep your story on track. A story timeline is a chronological list of important dates and events that take place in your story. You may have events that happen before your story begins. This would be called backstory. These are the key events in your character's life that led up to the start of the current story that you are going to tell. You will also have dates of events that are going to happen during the current story. What events occur at the beginning of the story? What happens in the middle? How does the story end? It is helpful to have a timeline to help keep track of what happened and when, so that while you are writing your story, you do not contradict yourself. You will want to keep the timeline on track without errors. For instance, it would be a mistake to have your character shot taking a bullet in the leg, but then have him up and running 3 days later in a different scene. This does not make sense because the character would need more time to recover. Also, you do not want to say 2 weeks have passed at the beginning of a scene, only to have your characters talk about an event and mention that it really only happened the day before. If you have a character who is a sports fanatic, the character should know when the Super Bowl is taking place, or the World Series, or the World Cup. If you try to have him go to another event when these sports events are taking place, the character should experience internal conflict because he would want to watch the game on TV, not attend a romantic dinner. He'd schedule the romantic dinner for a different night. It wouldn't be his idea to do anything on the night of the big game. As an author, you need to research and track what dates and events would affect each of your characters in the story. A timeline of events helps to keep the story consistent and believable. If you are writing a historical story, it is important to research world events, national events, and regional events to make sure your characters act appropriately. Your characters' thoughts and feelings and actions would logically be affected by war, the Spanish flu, presidential assassinations, voting on election day, the sinking of the Titanic, the changing modes of transportation such as horse and buggy, or the first car or train. Perhaps the invention of the telephone or the light bulb has significantly impacted your character. List the major historical events that your character should know about so your story and your characters are believable. Now, let me show you how to make a cheap, easy timeline scroll using a simple paper bag. Cut the bag up one side lengthwise and cut around the rectangle bottom. Unfold, and there you have a paper bag scroll. Next, take a Sharpie marker and draw one bold vertical line down the center of the scroll, and place smaller horizontal lines to the left and the right, starting at the top. Now it's time to do some research. Before you develop this timeline further, it would be helpful if you research your story's setting. What key events stand out in the history of this region? What key events transpired during this time period, not only in this region, but the nation and the world? What key events in your main character's past has affected them most? What events can they never forget? What specific moment caused their greatest pain, or changed their viewpoint, or hardened their resolve, or created who they are today? On the left-hand side of the timeline, you will list the real-life events the character should be aware of, historical events or upcoming real-life events the character in a contemporary should know about. List the date and the event in chronological order and work your way down, leaving ample space between them. On the right-hand side of the page, you will list your current story events in chronological order as they unfold. How do these fit between the real-life events? How do the combination of both real-life and fictional story events affect your character and the plot? After research, you may find that you want to change your current story to a different time of year so that it is more believable. If you do not want a character to have to think about war, set your story before the war starts or during a time of peace. If you want your characters to drive a horse and buggy, set your story during a time frame when that mode of transportation was popular. If you do want to write a story set during a war or a time when a real-life event affected society, interweave the real battles, the real events, with your story's fictional events as seamlessly as possible. How do the real-life events impact the characters and the plot in your novel? How can your fictional characters play a part that impacted a real-life event? A timeline scroll is also the perfect tool when writing a time slip or dual timeline novel. List the key events for one time period on one side of the scroll and the key events for the second time period on the other side. This allows you to see how they line up and compare. How can you better weave the storylines back and forth? If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you do not miss out on future videos all about writing, publishing, and marketing. And if you need help with your story, make sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet with 7 pages of fill-in-the-blank templates and helpful examples to keep you moving forward.